Hi, this is Roy King again with Custom Computer Detailing in Natchez, Mississippi. This is my part 2 video to doing software updates. I had originally hoped to have had them all on one long continuous video, but I felt like I needed to break it primarily because the battery on my cell phone was about to die and I had to terminate early. Anyway, this is my information here on Custom Computer Detailing in Natchez, N-A-T-C-H-E-Z, Mississippi. I am Roy King. My telephone number is 601-870-5372. I'm a for-profit computer repair business, and I'm making these tutorials to aid my existing clients in doing their software updates on their individual PCs. This is the back side of my card. Now, if you live within a 50-mile radius of Natchez, Mississippi, or if you would prefer to ship a computer to me to have me set up this way, I can do that and ship it back to you. I've serviced thousands of computers and I pretty much set them all up the same way, and I figured this is the best way to set them up. So, alright, in the last video over here on the left hand side, I had 4 programs that I had just downloaded: the TDSS Killer, the McAfee Rootkit removal tool, the Norton Power Eraser, and the Adware Cleaner programs. And all I did between the 2 videos, off video, is I drug those from over here on the desktop, and after I had erased the old versions in this folder, I drug the new versions into the folder and refreshed the folder, and there they are. So you can see by the date, 1/18/2018, 1/18/2018, 1/18/2018, 1/18/2018, and that it is 1/18/2018. So those are the 4 programs that we just finished working with. What we still have left to do is we want to update our Windows malicious software removal tool. That is the July version of it, and we need to get the January 2018 version. I think is now available. So we are going to click on that. I think it's going to it will give us the option to download the latest version. We'll see here in just a second. So I clicked on it. Here it says malicious software removal tool. A more recent version of the tool may be available. For more information, see Microsoft Download Center. Click OK to use the current version of the tool. Well, we want the latest version. So we're going to follow that little link right there, that Microsoft Download Center. I'm going to follow that. And we're going to see what it takes us to. So it's taking us somewhere. All right. So let's go full page. So here's our malicious software removal tool for your system. This is a Windows 7 64-bit system. That is correct. And I do speak English most of the time. People from up north may differ with that. They may think I speak Southern, but it's still English technically. And we're going to hit download right here. So this should be the December 2017 or January 2018 version of this tool. And if we click on details, it should tell us. Maybe not. Oh, I'm sorry. Date published 1/9/2018. So that is the latest version. So we're going to download that from this link right here. And they're trying to give us additional programs. We're going to uncheck that. And we're going to scroll down and make sure they don't have anything else checked for us. And we're going to say no thanks and continue DirectX end user runtime web installer. So all we want to download is the Windows malicious software removal tool 64-bit, and it is 38.2 megabytes. All right. It says thank you for downloading Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool 64-bit. Down here at the bottom, it gives us the option to figure out where we want to save it at. What do you want to do? Do you want to run or save Windows, yada yada yada? Well, we want to save it to the desktop, so I'm going to say save as to the desktop, and I'm going to come in here under the file name. I'm going to rename it. This is going to be 07A. So we're going to rename all this Windows M-A-L-I-O-U-S, malicious. I don't know how you spell malicious. M-A-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. So, and we're going to call this underscore, oh, sorry, underscore 01. So, put the date back in there. So, we're calling it 07A, Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. Let's put Windows 7 in there. Windows 7 x64. Let me go back one. Windows 7 x64 version 5.56 and then the date. So that's what we're going to save it on the desktop. And hit save. And it's already finished downloading it. So it is on the desktop. So at this point I can close that. And come up here and close this page. I can close this. So here's my latest version of Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. That's what I just renamed. 07A, Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, Windows 7. 64-bit system version 5.56. Date is January 18, 2018. So I'm going to drag that into my toolbox. And I'm going to look to make sure that I got rid of the old version. If I haven't, I'll get rid of it. So it looks like I still have both versions. So I'm going to expand here. Alright, this is the one I just downloaded. This is the old one, so I'm going to highlight that one, right click on my mouse, come down here and delete that one. All right, and while I'm thinking about it, remember that Glarious Utilities that we couldn't throw away earlier? It's right here. Highlight it, delete. All right, so both of those are in the trash. And dump the trash. All right. So, we have now updated all of our cleaning programs. The only thing that we haven't repaired yet is the Windows update. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something special here. And if this seems too complicated for you, there is the potential for you to mess things up. Don't do this last step. But we're going to come over here to where it says actually I think I'm going to make a third video just showing how to do this one step. Alright, I'm going to stop the video now. I'm going to make a single video that shows how to repair the Windows updates when they're not working. Alright.